I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make faux Quang Tran. Start by preparing a clear beef and pork bone broth, toasting spices and simmering gently for depth. Strain the broth and adjust seasoning with fish sauce and a touch of sugar. Prepare thinly sliced beef, rice noodles, and crisp herbs. Assemble bowls with noodles, beef, bean sprouts, lime wedges, and pour hot broth to finish and serve immediately. A rich faux Quang Tran broth relies on bone quality, controlled simmering, and gentle skimming. Begin with roasted beef and pork bones, charred onion and ginger, and whole spices toasted until aromatic. Cover bones with cold water, bring to a slow simmer, and cook for several hours while removing scum. Finish with fish sauce, rock sugar, and a squeeze of lime to balance savory and sweet notes before serving immediately. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy clean-smelling cars after grocery runs or market trips, try Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener for a crisp, long-lasting scent. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future recipes and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for your car. I appreciate it. Now let's get back to the video. Choose fresh rice noodles for the best faux Quang Tran texture and soak or blanch according to package directions. Quickly blanch noodles in boiling water, then drain and place in warmed bowls. Thinly slice raw beef against the grain so it cooks in hot broth, and prepare herbs like Thai basil, cilantro, and scallions. Offer bean sprouts, lime wedges, sliced chilies, and hoisin or sriracha for personal adjustments for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.